Okay, students, Mr. Torres here to teach you how to make your character jump. So you first need to make sure that you already have your character that you want to be jumping. In this case, it is my ninja, so you see I've created the sprite, and I have also created I've set the animation. So that's what makes him look like that. Now, for me, this is a side-scroller game, so usually you want your character in the bottom left corner because the objects are going to be coming from the right side. So first thing you should do is pick a more appropriate location. So maybe the X value can be around 50, and my Y value can be around 350. So that'll just, first off, right off the bat, once again, you want to make sure you get them started around the right spot. Okay, and we want to make him jump. Now, you also have to decide which button you want to use. I think most popular is the space bar. So I'm going to use an if statement here. And I want to do something if I press the space bar. Okay, let's see. So I'm going to go to world. I want the key down. There it is. And I'm checking if I have pressed the space. Now, if I do press the space, I want to move up, right? So how can we do that? We can set the Y velocity of my character to be negative. That means he is moving up. Okay, and then I'm going to add an else if and another else if. So I need to click 3 times, and then I can remove this else actually. All right, because I am going to want to check if the person gets high enough, I want him to move down. So how do I measure that? I can check if ninja.y is less than, let's say, 200. Now this will determine how high your character jumps. Okay, so if you want it to go higher, you can change this number to a different one. But 200 should be fine for now. Okay, and what do we want to do if it gets high enough? Well, we want to send him back down. So ninja.velocity_y equals +5. That will make the ninja move down. I'm going to move this down here. Okay, and finally, when they come back down, we want to make sure they don't go all the way through the screen. So if I were to remove this, all right, so you can see it comes up and goes back down, but it doesn't ever stop. So we want to add one more else if statement, plus. All right, and if the ninja is on the ground, so that would mean if ninja.y, or you can grab the sprite button here. If ninja.y is greater than, let's say, 350, because that's the starting position, then you will want to make it stop. So we can say ninja.velocity_y equals 0. And now you'll see when the ninja gets back to its starting location, it will stop. Okay, a few numbers you might want to mess with. Once again, this sets the jumping height, so I could change this to 100 if I wanted to move higher. Okay, and I could change the speed. Maybe I want him to jump higher, faster or slower. I could change the velocity y. And now you'll see they jump faster. Okay, I could change the starting position. Let's say I move this up 350, I change it to maybe 300. It would start in a new spot, but you also have to change this one here. So just make sure if you change one, you change the other, and now you'll see it starts in a slightly different location. Okay, so that is how you make your character jump. Good luck, everybody.